Good morning. It is day 23 and we are just leaving Jagger's camp, and it has been very nice to stay here. Very peaceful spot to stay, and the farmer is really kind chap. We had a good chat with him last night, and it is also a wedding venue if anyone should like that. Okay, I'm just going to turn the camera around and show you the sun on Mount Anaya. There you are, sun just rising. Beautiful. So we're heading off to the beach, and our big day over Whangarei Heads. So yes, we're making an early start. Catch you later. We are just coming down to the beach. The camp is only 400 metres. It felt a bit longer than that when we were coming up yesterday off the soft sand, but it seemed quite quick this morning. And there is where we are going. Whangarei Heads. It's easing off of it now. Some blackback gulls up ahead. Getting closer to our destination. Here we go up the hill. Whoops! There is a welcome sign, and there's a it looks like, I have to get up on the rock, a little selection of things that have been found on the beach. Kind of like a little op shop. How cute is that? Somebody's made op shop, it says. Yes, very cute. There, op shop. And headed that way. Okay, we're on this little hill because we could not get around the rocks. We did try. Christina is going up there. We have come from there down there. It's very steep. There's the orange triangle. Okay, up I go. Okay, we are at the top of the hill. And it's very steep. We're going down now and along a bit more beach. And oops, I'm showing you the sky. Okay. Just collect my clothes and show you around here. Okay, so we've just got that little bit of beach to go, and then up that steep grassy slope that you see on the Whangarei Heads point there. So now we've just come up a very steep hill off the beach. There's Christina, and we're only out. We have to go this little hill up there somewhere to the top. Yeah. So we got to the top of that first steep little hill. This is where we came up. It was a very steep. I don't know if you can tell. This is where we came out. Now I'll show you the panorama. Absolutely delightful, and it has turned into a magnificent day again after raining in the night and being quite cloudy yesterday. So we are very, very fortunate. And up there you might just see the little lighthouse. So I think we go up past there. We go all the way up there, you might see the track going up through the grass. And beyond, even higher, I think it's heading for 500 metres, the point that we get to, and then we undulate, and then it undulates along the track. Yes, okay, keep you posted. Okay, we have come on a nice little flat bit after much puffing uphill, steeply uphill. We reckon we're at about 380 metres. We've got to go to 476 where the top is. So this is what it's like up here. We did have quite a lot of stairs to climb. She goes. We have just come up many stairs. The stairs that keep on giving and giving and giving again. We'd be interested if anyone's counted them. There are rather a lot. The track, and that's a little lookout up there. And now we are going, I will show you, we're going that way. There's the orange triangle, and just up. We may be at the top.
We are at the top.
We are at the top.
Down between the rocks.
Yay, down! Look at this amazing totara, we think it is. It's got a huge epiphyte in it too. It's clinging onto the rock for dear life. How amazing, it's grown there for many years. Such a big trunk structure there. And it's on this, there's this big rock face that we're coming by. Kind of bluff. And so we are going up around up there. I'll show you the bush. Beautiful. Beautiful piece of bush. It's quite steep just down here. So we are coming down some quite steep stairs. There is this big rock bluff there, and it says proceed with caution, which we are, because the stairs are very steep, but also apparently there could be rock fall. And there we are. Feet. And another one. There's quite a big cliff there. Down we go. Okay, there's this cool rocky bit. And we have to go through this rock down the other side, and then we're quite close to the main track now. Okay, I'm going to go over here to the great view, but unfortunately it is raining now and the cloud has come down and we might not see very much at all. It's very misty Very, very misty. We were lucky on a fine morning. Sorry, I'm going all over the place here. Wow, yes. There we are. That's the view, what we have of it today. Ooh. Just want to show you this magnificent puriri tree, and it is full of epiphytes as well. It is absolutely huge and magnificent, and it is in flower. There is lots of little pink flowers around. Look at that trunk, it is enormous. Just try and come through here and show you the base of it. It is one majestic tree. Wow. They are so beautiful. Look at that. A beautiful kowhai tree in flower. So warm up here. Just come up here, see if I can get any closer. Oops. Not really, but there they are. There you go, beautiful kowhai, full of flowers. Birds will be loving them. And another one down there. Absolutely gorgeous. So that is where we have come from. We came over those hills there, up there on the horizon, and down this beach, and all along here, and all along here, and then up the ridge and up and along. And now we are on a lovely little flat bit, and
Then down and
you
up.
can see down and up and down and up we have come, and now I can see a really long beach over here, which is probably what I have to walk on next. It might be even, yeah, I'm not sure what we've got there, but that is, I'm going to have to go down there another day. How's this for a view? So all those beaches down there are where I'm going to have to walk. There you go. Well, we have had lunch, and it looks like we are starting to go down now. It has been a big climb and a lot of up and down, a lot of stairs, but well worth it for the beautiful views. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. I will turn the thing around, and just down there, there's a beautiful cove. Smuggler's Cove, we think. Yeah, so now I'm going to have to concentrate on the very steep stairs. Going down, down, down. Okay, see you later. So this is looking over to Marsden Point Refinery and down the coast where Reotahi camp is, somewhere down there a little bit further. Yeah, and then on to Reotahi Beach, further down Waipu Cove. Yeah, so we are coming down the hill. It's very beautiful. We've just been through some lovely native bush. And it's quite a warm afternoon now. It's been a very changeable day. which is pretty common in New Zealand. Here are some more stairs. There have been a lot of them. And here are the paddocks that we're coming down to. Very nice. And there's the beautiful bay with the boats. And looking around in the corner there is Urquhart's Bay. And we are going a few bays around, actually, I think pretty much to that point there. Yeah, today. So on we go. We made it down off the bush track to the paddocks. Here's the shoe cleaning station, and the track looks like it goes down there over the hill. Enjoying the sight of the boats. Reminds me of when I was young and used to go sailing with family. Many happy times on the water. And in the distance is Mount Manaia, which also has a track on it. A walking track, yeah. Taking a little video of this beautiful Pahutakawa. This is one of a majestic seaside tree, and Christmas is coming and it will soon be in flower and just be absolutely gorgeous. Huge old trunk there. Amazing, so many epiphytes in there too. Absolutely gorgeous. A lovely cabbage tree too. We're having a wee rest in a wee bay called Taurikura, I think. And that is back to where we have come from. This is where we have walked. We are nearly at our accommodation, just a couple of k's to go. So my friend tells me, she lives in the area, and she tells me that it is a yoga retreat. I know all the TA walks that have YouTube clips take a photo of it and wonder what it is. So that is what I have heard.